So I think in our manifesto, the 3 or 4 things that will really resonate with Goans. The first is that the state of the economy. Goa today, Goans in Goa, the number of unemployed youth is over 1 lakh. The number of people displaced by the stoppage of mining is 2.5 lakhs. When you look at during COVID, Goa is supposed to be one of the advanced states of India, and the medical facilities in Goa were in absolute shambles. When you look at income support, there exists nothing in Goa. They say they have something called a Griha Aadhar scheme, where the requirement in the budget is something like 250 crores, and they allocated only 100 crores for it. So in all the main things, when you look at the Mahadeya waters, the sharing with Karnataka, Goa is not getting its fair share. The 3 projects, the linear projects, which are killing the Mole forest area, which is a global biodiversity hotspot, are under threat. On all of these issues, TMC has come up with something concrete to address every interest group, every single interest group. Whether it's people who work in mines and people associated with the mining industry, we want environmentally sustainable mining to start within 250 days, that is within 1 year of coming to power. So all of these issues are issues that resonate with all Goans, all types of Goans, and we hope that the TMC will be accepted by all the Goans on voting day as the only party